Enough of a warm up. As best as it was, I was hoping I could get at least one out of fucking expert, but no! They didn't want me to have one and one expert today. Let's see how super expert does today. Oh, are you fucking serious? Bastards. One more time. Oh! Duck! That's what I thought. Oh, you fucking asshole.
Oh no!
You're going too fast, bro. I know I'm supposed to glide. But even if I glide, the fucking spinies are gonna get me. Fuck. Okay, I see. Oh! Oh, not high enough. Damn you. Oh, fuck you, bro. Come on, man. Shit! Forget it. Out of your fucking mind, man. This is a good day today. Shit. assholes. Giving me shit. Oh, wait. Hold on. Yeah.
Oh no!
Gotta give me something, Dale. Good. Now. Okay. Oh.
Oh no!
Shit.
Oh no! Oh no!
Where you going from here? Where's the good stuff? What am I missing? There's gotta be something around here, couldn't there? Anything? Something? Anything? What the hell? I can't find shit. Wait, what happened here? Where am I going? This is great. They're giving me shitty ones today. That's annoying.
Oh no!
Ow, I did the same thing I didn't want to do. Shit. Oh, I completely missed it.
no.
There we go. Up.
Oh no.
Damn it. Giving me fucking cheat points.
Oh no.
This sucks, man. You get me. Never gonna at least get one. One. You gotta get at least one. Oh. Oh, come on! Thank you, bro. Okay. Ah! One more go.
Six to go.
Ow. Damn it. Damn it! Go. Roll them up. Oh no, wrong mushroom, wrong mushroom. Thank you. Skip for something. Oh, I'm supposed to go down. No, where the hell am I supposed to go? I seem to be lost. Where the hell am I supposed to go? Not friendly at all, man. Are they really? Because you get stuck. I don't get it. I'm not quite sure where to go from there. Is that block? I don't know. I hate these days where I can't even get one damn pass. Obviously, it's harder on expert. Super expert. I mean, they're both pretty bad, and I can't even get one. Where the hell am I supposed to land? I hate these days. I hate these. Obviously, I would like to reach the goal. At least once on each. No. Oh, you bastard. I saw you up there, you little shit. Get out of the way from me. Are y'all coming back up? Yeah, here you go. Anything good here? Can I even go in there? Can I even go? It doesn't look like I can.
Oh no!
Okay. Interesting. Maybe I have to go through there.
Oh no!
I think the bottom is death. Right. Yeah, the bottom is death. So what the hell am I supposed to go? Yeah, I made it. We just had to time it right. Oh! It's a little cramped in here. Oh!
Oh
Fucking
no!
Puma! They didn't have to pounce on him. We would have gone through. I wanted those. Okay. Oh god, that was so close. Got lucky there. Oh, you get it? Oh, we finally got one! Finally! We got one!
Oh yeah, Mario time.
Finally got one, a super expert. Finally. And I'm the first cleaner. Finally. There you go. Finally. Thank you. There we go, that's how you do it. Oh. Oh, come on now. Oh, come on. Yeah, get up there. Come on, get up there. Yes. Oh shit. It's locked. What the hell are you supposed to do up here then? It's locked. Got it! And I didn't give up. Okay. Anything else? Got it. Damn it! Do I have to do that all over again? I feel like I do. Yeah, I do. No thanks. No thanks.